Do you want your child to use an educational app on the iPad, but you don't want their little fingers wandering to another app that you don't want them to use? My name is Coral from the Relatable Homeschool Mom, and I am going to show you how to use guided access in your iPad settings in order to make this happen. So to do this, you will need to click on your settings. On the left, scroll down until you see accessibility. Click on accessibility. Then on the right, scroll down until you see guided access. Select that, and then you will turn on guided access. From here, you need to click on passcode settings. You can set a specific passcode, or I find it easier to just click on Face ID or Touch ID, whatever you have here to get into your iPad. You can select that. Then I press back into guided access. And then your accessibility shortcut, this is going to make it so much easier to start the session. All you will have to do is triple click the top button to access these settings. And that's it. So now you would go into the application that you want your child to use. So I'm going to go into this Khan Kids. I will triple click, and then my guided access appears. I can simply press start, or I may want to look into some of the options. My favorite part is the time limit. So I can set a time limit for how long I want them to use the program. So say 20 minutes. You have a few other features here that you might have them use. For example, the volume button, you might want them to be able to turn up and down the volume. I click out of that, and then I press start. From here, you will have to set a passcode, verify it, and now the session has officially started. For 20 minutes, the kids will not be able to go to any other application. Now, at any point in time, even before the session ended, you could always triple click. You'll put the password in again, and then you can either resume or end the session. Once you've ended the session, you can go back to using the iPad the way it was before.